contend with. Man, he liked that motor oil chartreuse so much, he already started swallowing it. Yeah, with that stink bait on there. I got a couple of duck calls and some stink baits. You know what I like to call it? A free bass on the troller. 1 to nothing to nothing. Bass number 2 for the Bass Aquarium today. Nice little baby. All right. We could keep him for bait. He's so little. Size comparison. Up. We're gonna get bigger and bigger throughout the day. Huh? It's right here. Oh man, he's hooked in the side. Got him. Wow, what a clean bass. No, that's right on the mouth. One right after another. Wow, I told you the fish were right here and you said, oh, you're already over there. Size comparison. What a jump. What a jump in size. Give us a show. Oh man, he's super clean. Number 5. He's a baby. But boys, he... Yes, go ahead.
How are you? How's everything been, sir? Everything good? Yeah, you know how it is. Look at the bass over here.
Digging! Look at this pig digging! Look at this pig digging! Wow, what a fish! What a fish! Yes! 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 Not too bad. He's number 6.
Number 6, that ain't bad at all.
Not bad for number 6, baby. Right out here, I told you, get shot. Oh! Did you see that jump? What a pig! Holy smokes, man. Holy. What are you biting? Mine? He hasn't even had it. He hasn't even had it in the water the whole time. Oh, I see it working now. Yeah, it's like a shark fin. Like if he paddled enough, it'd push him forward. Seven. Oh, yeah. Not too bad. Set that hook in him. Nice. What do you need? I thought you needed a dab. I thought you needed a dab of stink bait. Look at this guy. That one I missed right here by the boat. Did you see him jump?
Yeah.
That was a beauty. It's your biggest to the yak, huh?
Yeah, that's the biggest one in the farm.
All right. All right, set your phone right on my paddle. I'll pull it in.
No. He's got to be at least 4 pounds. I'm gonna weigh him in a minute. Get a little closer to your boy here.
Wow, he's nice. I got the scale. I got the scale.
I got my scale right here.
Watch out, I got all kinds of lines going out.
I ain't worried about it.
Let me get a nice backup photo. Hold on.
That's good. Just go right there.
No, it's not. It's gotta be nice.
Nice pig right there.